Take a completely dry saucepan. After that, add sugar and tea leaf together as per taste. Add 2 small cardamoms for flavor. You can also add cinnamon. Now on low flame, stir the mixture continuously with the help of a spatula. Wait until the sugar and leafy mixture dissolve. When bubbles start to form, add half the milk without overcooking. Stir the milk into the mixture until combined. Now add the remaining milk and let it boil. Here's the most viral tea recipe is almost ready. Follow the recipe and share feedback in the comments. Jazakallah.